making other people happy.
Oh, it's yummy, huh? Nummy. Nummy food. You're not too sure? You were loving it earlier. There we go. Numbers.
Let Daddy get that. No. Dixie. Get her over there. Good girl.
Name food. Delicious sweet potatoes on our chin. We have a ravenous baby. She loves her food. You love your food?
Just is it? It's pretty. Alright. One more bite. And you're done. You've had a lot. A lot. You had at least 10 spoonfuls before Mom was even opening the blender. Because you're a food monster. I don't like it too much. You look like your dad. That's how I got started. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Come here, my little sweet potatoes.